sprout dance, and look what my classmate Andre, the video before the sprout dance down where it was hands off Gabriella. Yeah, that one. When we were just having a snack there, barbecue. Yeah, barbecue. We stayed there until 10:30 p.m. and we slept at 12 because it took us 1 hour to get ready, and I still have makeup. And look what he gave me before we left. A giant crayon bigger than my head. I write on it. Oh my goodness. It's made out of metal and it was used to be gummy bears. Yeah, it used to be gummy bears. It's a giant crayon and I love it. Oh, looks like I need a mustache. There, we got a mustache. Looking for me to get a mustache. Hold up, I'm gonna turn up the blower, it's cold. And you can see it after the sprout dance from earlier, the touch. And I really wanted Cosmo to duet me, and look, I still have the gloves on. This umbrella. And I wrote this on when I was a kid. And look, I seriously love it. You can open this, but it's hard. And the inside is nothing. Time to read on you. Okay, bye guys.